Hi, my good students. Welcome back again with me. Learn English in 10 minutes with Miss Susan. Okay, let's begin our material today. Okay, today we will discuss about direct indirect speech or reported speech. Yeah, let's see what is direct indirect speech. Yeah, okay. Direct indirect speech in bahasa Indonesia means kalimat langsung dan tidak langsung. People usually know this as reported speech. The speech which is reported, kalimat yang diulangi atau dikatakan ulang oleh orang lain, ya. Okay, let's discuss more about how does it look like actually, ya. Okay. For example, there are three people who are having a conversation, A, B, and C. So A says something to C, and then B asks C, what did A say? Yeah, so C reported to B what happened in the past. Why is that? Because when A says something to C, it happened in the past. So the name is reported speech, the speech which is reported to someone else. So there is a changing of tense, yeah? Okay, let's see more. What does the change look like? Yeah, okay. Let's say people say something in the present time directly, so the tense is changed into past indirectly. And then when someone says something in the past directly, it is changed into past perfect indirectly. Okay. It is not only for the verb, but also for the adverb of time. They are changed. Yeah. Now becomes then, yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day, tomorrow becomes the day after or the next day, and then last night, for example, becomes the night before or the previous night. Next week, for example, it becomes the following week or the week after. Okay, next. Adverb of place is also changed. For example, here becomes there. And then how about the pronouns? Yes, they are also changed. Yeah, the pronouns, you know what pronouns are? Okay, for example, the man is a noun. So the pronouns for the subject is he, for the object is him, for the possessive pronoun is his. Okay, let's go on. Now let's see the pattern. Okay, there are statement, questions, imperative, and prohibition. Statement means pernyataan, questions means pertanyaan, imperative means kalimat perintah, prohibitions mean larangan, kalimat larangan. Okay, let's see the statement indirect and questions indirect. They are different, but when they are reported, they have the same pattern. Yeah. Whether the statement or the question, they have the same pattern. Subject, verb, conjunction, subject, verb. Okay, the one that is different here is only for the conjunctions. When you report statement, you use that as the conjunction. When you report questions, there are three options. You can use if it is yes or no questions. You can use WH question and how. Let's see for the imperative, kalimat perintah. So kalimat perintah or imperative do not use subject. So when the direct statement do not use subject, so indirectly you only change the verb, becomes to infinitive or to verb. Next, prohibition, larangan, kalimat larangan. Larangan in English we use don't. Yeah, so because there is no subject there. Yeah, so when you report it into indirect statement, indirect prohibition, it becomes not to verb. You just change the verb. The don't become not to verb or not to infinitive. Okay, let's see the examples. Okay, let's say the statement. Devina, Aldi is absent today. Bani, what did Devina say? So Sunita will report to Bani. So Sunita reported. Devina said that. That because statement. Aldi was absent. Was because past, because the statement is in the present, is. Yeah? Okay. That day, it is from today. Today becomes that day. So Devina said that Aldi was absent that day is the reported speech. Okay? Next. Fala. I feel tired now because I finished my assignment last night. Rakesa asked Arya, what did Fala tell you about? Arya reported, Fala told me that he felt tired. We use he because Fala is a boy. So I change into he, feel present change into felt. Now change into then. Because he had finished his assignment the night before. So he, it is from I, finished, past tense becomes past perfect, had finished. Last night becomes the night before. His, it is from my, yeah. So my means, my assignments means Fala's assignment. So it is possessive pronoun, his assignment. Let's go on. Here's another example of statement. Asifa, I don't like sitting in the front row, it makes me nervous. This statement is negative, use don't. Philly, what did Asifa say? Armia reported. Asifa said that she didn't. She because Asifa is a girl. Didn't because it is using don't as present. Didn't like sitting in the front row because it made her nervous. Made, it is from makes, present becomes made. And me is the object pronoun, it becomes her. Her is the object pronoun of girl. Yeah, Asifa. Okay. Next question. Okay, as I mentioned before, there is yes or no question. For example, do you like reading comics? It is yes or no question. Sultan asked Rayhan, what did Ryan ask you? Ryan asked me if I liked. The conjunction if because it is yes or no question. If I liked because it is present. Do you like? Present time. Okay, next. Okay, sorry. Next, Nadila asked, where did you go last night? Yeah. So Nadia said, what did Nadila ask you? Nabila reported to Nadia. Nadila asked me where I had gone the night before. So because the question is using WH question, so the conjunction is used again in reported speech. Where I had gone because the direct speech is past tense. Yeah. The night before, it is from last night. Okay. Next, prohibition, larangan. For example here, Adelia, don't come here. Asti, what did Adelia order you? Akna, Adelia ordered me not to go there. So, because just like I mentioned before, prohibition, we use do not or don't. Yeah. So, you just change this prohibition into not to. Yeah, not to go there. Why it is not to go there, not to come there? That is not to come there, ya. Don't come here, jangan ke sini. So when you report to someone else, jangan ke sana. So not to go there, not to come here, or to come there, ya. Okay. Next, imperatif, kalimat perintah. Come here. Tahali asked Salwana, what did Heiji tell you? Salwana reported, Heiji told me to go there. The same with the previous example, come here means kesini. So when you report this to someone else, kesana. So to go there means kesana, not to come there. Okay, yeah. Okay, now that's for the topic today. Now it is time for you to have practice. Good luck, break leg.